MC Oluomo reinstates Bariwa as NURTW president immediately, Falana tells federal government. Announced to the News Info, human rights activist and senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, Femi Falana, has called on the federal government to immediately reinstate Comrade Tajuddin Bariwa as the president of the National Union of Road Transport Workers, NURTW, in compliance with subsisting court rulings. Leadership reports that a former Lagos State chairman of the union, Musili Akisanya, popularly known as MC Oluomo, was a few days ago sworn as NURTW president in Abuja, after which the Abuja division of the Court of Appeal affirmed Bariwa as the rightful occupant of the office. They want to rig it again now. They want to do APC for us. Even in NURTW election, you cannot have free and fair election. Because you know that we know MC Oluomo, we know who is working for now. And he already went there, sat on the presidential seat, thinking that he's the owner of the position. Meanwhile, it's not for you. Bariwa won. So what exactly are you looking for? Well, he already won. His son was already saying, oh, now we are going to be controlling the country. You want to be controlling the country. Tout. Agbero Pikin. Reacting to the development in a statement issued on Monday, Falana specifically urged the Attorney General of the Federation, AGF, and Minister of Justice, Lateef Fagbemi-San, and the Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun, to enforce the judgment of the National Industrial Court and the Court of Appeal, which recognized Bariwa as the legitimate leader of the Apex Transport Union. This one you are calling Inspector General, Fagbemi, Chief Justice. All of them are working for APC now. All of them are working for APC, so it's going to be difficult. I hope that Falana is going to be able to win this case for this man, because they want to do another rigging. They want to show us, they want to tell us another story again. This person did not win the election, but you want him to be there, so that very soon, one day, from there, he will become the governor of Lagos State. From there, he will become the president of Lagos State, and then he will be a minister, an Agbero person. Nobody is saying that Agbero does not have a life, but this person is a tout and is working as a tout for the president. Now he wants to become the NURT national president. And then from there, they'll tell him that, oh, if you help us to win election in 2027, we are going to compensate you to be the governor of Lagos State. Let's see, that's how it's going to happen. Meanwhile, he didn't win the election, so I really hope that Falana wins this case in court for this person, because everybody that he just mentioned now, I.J. Egbetokun, the Lord Judge and whatever, all of them are all working for APC. And the answer to Tinubu, so it's going to be difficult to do that. Meanwhile, everybody has congratulated this person, this MC Oluomo. All of them have congratulated him. His son has come outside on the internet to brag. We are going to be controlling the country. All his Yoruba Nollywood actors and actors, they've congratulated him. So he's not going to live without a fight. So I really would want to see how this case will go. In a statement titled, FG should restore Comrade Tajuddin Bariwa as president of NURTW without delay, Falana highlighted the judicial victories that affirmed Bariwa's leadership. On August 20, 2023, a gang of armed thugs invaded the National Secretariat of the National Union of Road Transport Workers at Abuja. One of the security men guarding the state secretariat was killed by the armed invaders, Falana stated. At the end of the violent invasion, the secretariat was seized, while the elected president, Comrade Tajuddin Bariwa, and members of his executive were arrested and charged with murder before a magistrate court in the Federal Capital Territory. However, the charge of murder was withdrawn and struck out after the successful but illegal seizure of the secretariat. He explained that Bariwa sought legal redress in the National Industrial Court, which on March 11, 2024, ruled in favor of Bariwa and his executive as the duly elected leaders of NURTW. See, and the thing is that this NURTW says they should be scrapped, because I don't see their usefulness. All they do is to collect money from these transport workers. Wear one yeye uniform and be collecting money from them, extorting them. People that are actually driving, doing the driving work, going from place to place, from morning till night, working to get passengers. But you sit down in your office and say, you are collecting money for this one, you are collecting money for this one, you are collecting money for that one, putting yourself under an umbrella saying that you are NURTW. You see, it doesn't make sense to me. So I think they should be scrapped, even though Oluomo did not win. At the end of the day, they should scrap this NURCW because it's of no use. They should rather do like a regulatory body that will see to the regulation of these transport workers and not some touts disguising as the president of transport workers. What exactly are you people doing? You're extorting money from them. That is what you're doing. Because there's nothing people are doing. And then you're being touts for election. All you know how to do is to beat talks for this president, collect steal ballot boxes and everything. That is what this NURCW, that is what they do. This judgment was later upheld by the Court of Appeal on November 8, 2024 after opponents of Bariwa leadership challenged the ruling. The justice of the court dismissed the appeal and confirmed the judgment of the National Industrial Court, which had recognized Comrade Bariwa as the president of the NURCW, Falana noted. Falana concluded by urging the federal government to act swiftly in restoring Bariwa to his position, stating, "In view of the foregoing, we call on the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Mr. Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, and the Inspector General of Police, Dr. Kayode Egbetokun, to ensure that Comrade Bariwa is restored to his office in strict compliance with the judgment of the National Industrial Court and the Court of Appeal." Ngozi Felix says, "Let's see if the AGF and IGP will do the needful or not. Oluomo, the law is against you and you can't have your way. Though your guy is at the top, let's see how he will help you against the court ruling." He's going to help you. He's going to. With the Inspector General of Police and the Chief Justice of Nigeria, all of them, they are all submitting to Wiki and to APC and to the President. So let's see how it goes. We know that they're going to do their mago as usual. Let's see. Raymond Wahoa says, "When an area boy bought his way as president, what else do you expect? Under Tinubu's watch, democracy has been destroyed. In Nigeria, I'm telling you, as we should just kiss bye-bye to free and fair election in this country. Because even ordinary NURCW election, they cannot be truthful with it. It cannot be conducted fair and fair. So, I don't understand where we are going to get it right in this country." Oscar Chukwudi says, "Conflict of interest, godfatherism is what is killing a lot of people. One will take a person as a bait, not minding what will happen at the end. All this is happening because of the lack of fear of God in our society. May God help us all in Jesus' mighty name. Amen." Kola Oleshorimeko says, "We need to ask ourselves a question. That, who do Nigeria like this? I'm telling you, be like us. You be like us. Firstly, when there is a Ministry of Transport again, we still have NURCW. Under what? Thank you. Thank you. I said that NURCW should be scrapped. We don't need them. We have Ministry of Transportation. So why are you using touts, disguising as NURCW, whatever? They should scrap them. Is that how it is running in an advanced country, giant of Africa? I must tell you, we still have a long way to go. To the extent our notable lawyers still putting mouth in this kind of matter, our constitution still they carry us enter bush they go. Now, so exactly what I think. You're empowering touts to have mouth. His son was barely elected. His son was saying, now we are going to be controlling the nation. What does that tell you? Touts controlling the nation, doing anything that they like and going scot-free. That is what they want to do. And yes, they empower these people, give them chance to do whatever it is that they like. Nigeria is a zoo republic. My listeners, over to you. Leave your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to like, to share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. See you some other time. Bye.